RNAZ stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Transcode Therapeutics. It is sitting a decent $10, and all I'm looking at is a higher time frame bias more so. I know, I get it, like it's 45% down, which is not a small deed, but it's still not something close to what I would be trading, to be very frank and honest. This is like such a bearish market. And I mean, I can even show you proof that I've been talking about this thing from a bearish side mainly, when it really was like 170 or something. It was 70 cents, I think. Yeah, 72. But then we had like a reverse split. So realistically, for since like last time I made a video on RNAZ, we've came down around 95% in a 160-day period. That's about 8 months, I think, if I'm doing my right math correct. If not, it's good. Yeah, it's not good. Like 6 months approximately, but yeah, it is just 45% up on Friday. And pumps like this are gonna happen, but still the way that I'll observe this is that I'm only really gonna take potentially some things up or here be bullish the moment I start seeing it, which real breaks above 220. If not, it's all good. So we'll continue to keep you updated. I'll mark down a shift if I see I'm gonna take things lower. But other than that, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.